And the final step in the Kinter calculator is outputting something. So for that, all we need to do is set up a final label. So um, we can just say label, label 3, or we can say label outcome if we want to be fancy. Label outcome, I'm just going to put in label 3 is equal to tk dot label, and that's going to be set in win with the text none for right now. And so now that that's good, we can pack this down here right at the very bottom. So label 3 dot pack, nice and right down at the bottom. So if we run this quickly, you can see a blank space there. And now we just want to add here so label 3 dot config, and we're just going to configure the text to outcome. So now technically we can do this all in one line of code and just skip the variable, but I like having the variable there since we can do other things with it if we want to. Now this config is just saying, hey, label 3, what are all of your function, what are all of your adjectives, and then saying, oh, I'm going to edit one of those adjectives or multiple of those adjectives with whatever is inside here. So I'm just going to copy this, paste it everywhere here. So it's pretty simple. You can change anything about any widget once you've done creating it with the config, and that just kind of updates it. So let's put our first number in. So here we go, and that is a working calculator. You can put whatever you want in there. Just put in numbers, otherwise it will just spit out an error. Awesome. So that is how you make a basic calculator into Kinter. Now obviously it doesn't look beautiful, and that will be our last and final step.